Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to another Collage Weekly Planner. Yes, we're on week 23. I'm a little bit behind, but it's no big deal, no big deal. And I am working in the Margarete Miller Collage Weekly Planner, the actual planner that she sells. I will leave her link below. And you can get her prompts on her website. So let's just get started. I hope y'all are doing well. So here is the prompt list right here, and she lists 5 prompts and then a bonus prompt that you can switch out if you don't have one of the above prompts. But I mean, for me, the rules are fairly loose on this. So here we go. Something that it represents time, excuse me, something woody or wood grain, an art scrap, something red, song lyrics, or a song title. I did not pull that. Not like I don't have a bunch of song books, but I did not. And the bonus is a photograph. Okay, so we're just gonna get started here. I just went around and picked out certain things that, struck my fancy. That's what I do. So this right here represents the wood. Okay, the wood. I just happen to really enjoy the way that this woman is standing there, gazing into whatever she's gazing into, the water, wherever she happens to be at. So we're gonna go ahead and put her down. I think though, let's move this aside a bit because I had these things as well. Okay, here are my art scraps, all right? Here's my piece of time. I love that. And I just love that it's like cut on an angle. I don't know. And then here is my something red, the words. I do enjoy putting words on my collages. So let's just take, a glue stick here. And we're gonna glue this on. This is an art scrap. It's just a piece of envelope, the inside of a security envelope. And I do have an entire file folder full of these scraps. They just come in the most delicious designs, in my opinion. And they're just fun, So let's see. We're gonna do something like that. Yep. We're gonna try to put it on straight-ish, not like it really matters. Doesn't make a difference, really. Okay, now I'm gonna cut this piece off of this so that it fits onto my page. Doesn't she just look so, I don't know. Again, with the pondering, right? I'm a ponderer, so I enjoy images and photos of pondering. Okay, that scrap's going in the bin, in the trash, because I'm not saving every little piece of everything. Okay, let's bring the book back. This one should go by fairly quickly. Sorry for the glare, my lighting, I don't know. I don't really, even though I have 2 windows in my room, I am on the west side of the house, and it is early morning this morning. So the way, I don't know, the way my desk is facing and all of that, yeah, I have to rely on the light up there. So not always the best lighting, but we're going to go with it. Okay, so with this, I am going to use the tape runner. I have been using the tape runner a lot of late, just because it's faster and, yeah, I'm not always a fan of the tape runner, but for the purpose of these collages, it's fine. This happens to be the Tombow Mono Dots adhesive. I get them on Amazon. They're usually like an add-on type of thing. So if I order something from Amazon, I just, add them on. The refills come 3 in a pack. Okay, so there's that. Then I had this beautiful piece of art scrap. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. I got it in Happy Mail years ago, I believe. Either that or, I don't know, it could have been like a jelly print of mine. I have no idea, but I love the colors on it. And it just goes so well with this right here. Okay, so let's see here. We're gonna glue this watch on, excuse me again. I think, because I can cut off the bottom there, and I think I just want this to go right there maybe, or we're gonna tear this little bit off here. Okay, I will save that. I won't save some things, but I will save that. Okay, let's see here. And we'll move this up a little bit like that. Yeah, I like that. I like that there. Okay, decision made. Okay, so I've really been enjoying watching a bunch of other people and their take on this. I don't know. Is it like a challenge? Where was I gonna put this? Okay, we're just gonna put it right. Oh wait, let's move it down a little bit. Okay, we're gonna put it right there, I think. Yeah, I've really been enjoying watching everyone's take on these prompts. My rag, I don't know what happened to it. Okay, there it is. Sorry for the reach. Here's my dirty rag that I wipe my dirty hands on. Okay, so yeah, they're just fun to watch, you know, everyone's interpretation, shall we say, of these prompts. It's just been a lot of fun. I like that there. So we're going to go ahead and glue it down. I have not, like I said, I've been behind. There's not really a time frame on these things though. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I skipped a few Fridays just because life has been busy. Yeah. So I'm back today and it's going up, this video is going up a little bit later than what I normally I set my videos to go up. I'm concentrating hard here. Hang on a moment. All right, there we go. Usually I set my videos to go up along about 8 o'clock. Oh, we don't need that, do we? 8 o'clock in the morning. And a lot of times I film these videos on the weekend, but I'm not filming this one on the weekend. Sorry if I'm shaking y'all about. I'm filming it, you know, on Friday, today. Let's see, let's get you all centered. Okay, I like that. I love how these colors kind of go with the background reflection of whatever foliage is in the background. Yep, I like it, I like it, I like it. Okay, now some I have not gotten all the things on the list. This was last time we met. Was week 22, and if you want to see all of these that I've done up to week 23, I do have a playlist on my YouTube channel that I will link below as well. So if you want to see all the weeks in succession, and what I'd like to do is do like a flip through. I haven't done a flip through of this book in quite a long time. Okay, so now we have this. I think I like this one. This is my red, something red, and I oftentimes like to put words or phrases on my collage work. I don't have to, I don't do it all the time, but a lot of times I do, and she appears to be pondering to me. And so it's either my simple realization, which I do like, but I don't know. I'm really drawn to this. There's two ways to go, up or down. Yeah. I think I like that one. And I think I am going to go ahead and cut it so that it is very small. I'm gonna cut, who said that? Hillary Cunningham said it. So we're gonna take this, and I don't really like cutting stuff down without like a paper trimmer, but when you have words like this, you have really no other choice but to cut them like this. And I just want the words. I don't really want a background. Yeah. So precision cutting here. Okay. Yep. I just want the words. Okay. Yeah. I like that. I like that just like that. Okay. So let's glue her down. Let's glue her down. Hopefully. Oh, come on. Ugh. Gluing has just not been my friend lately. I don't know why, really. I really don't know why. Okay. I like that. I like that a lot. Let's see if I can... Nope. Ugh. The only thing, like sometimes with some glue sticks, not this one, which is, I mean, it's a fine glue stick. You know, it's the Amazon Basics all-purpose glue stick, and it is very sticky, and I like that. But see, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but there's like a spot here that, yep, I just took my finger and licked it. Okay, there, that worked out a little better. Oh, let's try it again. Okay. You know, like when you get glue on the wrong side of things, and then it just leaves this like sticky brown smear, you know? Okay, so I fixed it. So never mind Amazon Basics, you're all good. All right, so I think I'm done with this page, you know? I really do. So let's get our pen here. Let's get one with it. Okay, this maybe, I don't know. I usually get a micron out because they seem to work well. Okay. So something that represents time, yes. One of my favorite things to collage is watches. So, yes. Something woody or wood grain, that is the pier that she's on, or the dock that she's on, yes. And art scrap, yes. I have 2 of them here in the back. Something red, that's the letters right down here. There's 2 ways to go, up or down. And it looks like she's gazing downward into the water. So it looks like she's pondering to me. So anyway, that's my something red. Song lyrics, song title, did not do that. And photograph, well, I mean, I guess I could use her as a photograph, but it's not technically a photograph, it's an image. So we're gonna go halfway on that, okay? Because it's my book. So yeah, so let's move this out of the way. Let's scooch all that out of the way. Well, the glue can stay there. That's the glue I used. Okay, so hopefully I've been in frame, sorta, kinda. All right. All right, short and sweet. Yep. Okay, I like how this turned out. I really do. Yeah, I love the colors, and of course I love her pondering. And I love this. I just love it. Yeah, this was fun to do. Quick, easy, nice. So yeah, thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to check out the playlist in the description box below, and of course Margarete Miller's website. It will be down below as well. I hope you all have a great rest of your day and a wonderful week, and I'll talk to y'all real soon. Bye for now.